Hello friends, today I will explain one of the best Vijay Thalapathi's South Indian movie. So if you still did not subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest update. Movie starts with Joseph, who runs the bakery for survival. Joseph have a daughter, her name was Nivi. He was single parent of a daughter. Joseph was very kind and non-violent person. Joseph daily leaves her daughter at school late. Nivi make excuse every day for her lateness before her teacher. Her teacher name was Annie. One day teacher called Nivi for being late and stand out of the class. So Joseph apologized teacher Annie. Annie forgave him. Actually, Annie have crushed on Joseph. Next day, Annie invite Joseph and Nivi at the church, where some goons was misbehave with Annie as well as Nivi. Annie slaps goons and goons runs away. Next day, Annie was arrived at the home of Joseph to pick up Nivi for not being late at all. Next day, police arrives at the door of Joseph and they show a Nivi's ID and says his daughter got an accident. Joseph runs at the hospital as fast as possible and scolds teacher Annie for not taking care of his daughter. In a ward, Joseph meets Nivi and knows that Annie saves Nivi from car accident. Joseph apologized to Annie. Police inspector informed Joseph to come police station for FRI. Actually, Annie files a case with the name of her and Nivi also because the goons take revenge on her for last day's church issues. Joseph scolds Annie and requests her to withdraw case. By the process of police case withdrawing, Joseph and Annie arrives at police station. At police station, inspector feels that Joseph was little familiar to him. Inspector says Joseph that does he take training in Jharkhand for IPS officer? Joseph answers that he has a misunderstanding. I am belongs to this village from childhood and now I am running a bakery business. With the answer, Annie doubts on Joseph because Annie know that Joseph was new at this village. When they returning at home at the back, that inspector calls Joseph with the name of Vijay. Joseph turns back and moves forward. With this action, Annie was more curious about Joseph. The goons arrive on Joseph's house at night for taking revenge on church issue. Goons was scolding and hitting Joseph. Suddenly, among the goons, one person says about to kill Nivi. With the hearing of Nivi's name, Joseph turns into another person. He becomes very violent and hit all the goons. On other hand, Annie searched about Vijay Kumar on Google, where she found that Vijay Kumar was bravest IPS officer at the Karnataka. He was not only IPS officer but also a youth icon for youngsters. Throughout the website, Annie showed Vijay's photo, which was looking very familiar or similar to Joseph's current look. For the sake of confirm identity of Joseph, Annie reaches at the house of Joseph. At the home of Joseph, Annie shows that Joseph was hitting all goons by single hand. Looking at the scenario, Annie confirms that Joseph is none of them but Vijay. Joseph shows Annie and starts to reveal his story against her. Now story deals with the past of Joseph, where Joseph was actually Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar was the DCP of Chennai. Before few years ago, some goons take over the school. Another inspector of Vijay's department went to school for wants to goons to leave a school, but goons were murdered that inspector. Then Vijay takes charge against goons and gave a lesson to them. Vijay saves children from child trafficking and hurts all goons badly, but later on he also takes to all goons at hospital, where a lady doctor whose name is Mitra treats the goons and he scolding the Vijay for hurt them badly. Vijay explains goons' crime to Mitra. Later on, all the children came to Vijay and thanking him for saving their life. Vijay also sponsors for their education. With the action of Vijay, Mitra was very impressed towards Vijay. Later on, both feels for each other and they are meeting separately. So they all fall in love with each other. Vijay arranged the meeting of Mitra and his mother. Vijay's mother was also very impressed by Mitra and she gave big yes to Vijay for her daughter-in-law. One day in police station, a person came and wants to file a case for his daughter who was missing. His daughter was doing job in IIT. After investigation by CCTV footage, Vijay found missing girl, but girl was in critical condition. To show a condition of a girl, Vijay feels very sympathetic. Doctor says that girl was raped and tortured very brutally till 3 days. For destroying of sperm evidence, the criminal used iron rod to torture her on vaginal area. After hearing, Vijay was being very furious towards criminal. After investigation, within 2 to 3 hours, Vijay found the criminal who was the son of well-known political leader. Vijay reaches at the home of political leader for arrest his son, whose name is Ashwin. But IPS officer and political leader answers to Vijay that Ashwin was missing since one day. IPS officer gave task to Vijay that he should find Ashwin. Next day, Ashwin's body was hanging under the bridge. Actually, Vijay tortures Ashwin and gave punishment by hanging to Ashwin for a justice to victim girl who was died. Vijay confessed against political minister that he killed his son Ashwin. Minister vows to Vijay that he will definitely take revenge for his son on Vijay. After few days, Mitra and Vijay decides to marry each other. That's why Mitra invites Vijay to have a meal with her family at restaurant, where the goons of minister arrived and they attacked on Vijay and Mitra's family. Mitra's father was become very frightened and don't give permission for Vikram and Mitra's marriage. Now Mitra also avoiding to Vijay, but Vijay makes up with Mitra and both are getting married. After some time, Mitra gave a birth to daughter whom was our Nivi. At one night, minister attacks on Vijay and his family. Minister and his goons killed Vijay's mother and Mitra also. They also torture Vijay, but Vijay survived and Mitra draw the attention of goons and wants to Vijay escapes with their daughter safely. Mitra also takes promise from Vijay that he will leave the job of police inspector for sake of their daughter. As the promise of given by Vijay, he resigns the job of police inspector. The minister and their goons were feeling that Vijay and his all family was died. They successfully proves that it was an accident of fire. Now story deals with current scenario. Vikram went to apologize that goons and also say sorry for church issue. Before leaving, goons take a photo of Vijay. Next day, Nivi goes to picnic with her classmates and teacher Annie. Vijay returns home after dropping Nivi on school bus. At that time, minister's call arrive on Vijay and Vijay feels some dangerous for Nivi. At a time, school bus was fall down in river, but with the help of Annie and villagers, Vijay successfully saved Nivi as well as other children. Now, for the sake of his daughter's safety, Vijay breaks the promise which was given by Mitra. Now, Vijay become very furious to take revenge. Firstly, Vijay kills a police inspector who was right hand of minister and also involved in the murder of his mother and Mitra. Now police department become very furious because in police station someone kills police officer. Now on social media some people claiming that they show a Vijay Kumar. At the other hand, some people defines him as a soul of Vijay Kumar. At the same night, ministers have conflicts with his own brother. Vijay kills the minister's brother. Next day, minister's goons kidnap Vijay and they torture Vijay. Now, minister gave order to kill Vijay, but Vijay gives mysterious smile. Here we know that the whole plot was set by Vijay. Vijay wants to take revenge on minister. Vijay fights with goons and kills them all. Vijay hanged minister as same as his son Ashwin. Police did not find any clue against minister's death. Here we know that commissioner of police department was know about Vikram and he was always support Vijay. Now Vijay was living in Ladakh with the name of Rajiv. He is changed his identity Vijay to Rajiv with his family Annie and a daughter Nivi. With the different identity, Vijay punishes corrupted people with not a constitutional power. Now movie ends with the honest and loyal inspector's power and happy ending. See you soon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.